Hello guys, my name is Lalit Singh Mehta and today we are going to see our fourth problem or fourth numerical based on the topic or module torsion. For earlier three typical problems or numerical based on torsion, you can check my playlist regarding torsion. So this is the fourth problem in the series. So the problem goes like this: a solid steel shaft has to transmit 100 kilowatt at 160 rpm, power and speed is given, taking allowable shear stress as 70 megapascal, tau is given, find the suitable diameter of the shaft. The maximum torque transmitted in each revolution exceeds the mean or we can say average by 20%, means the maximum torque is exceeding the average or mean torque in each revolution by 20%. So let us go for the given part first. So in the given part we can write power is given, the power to be transmitted 100 kilowatt. So we can convert this 100 kilowatt into watts, 100 into 10 raised to 3 watt. The speed of the shaft is given in rpm, so no need to convert it, rpm, revolutions per minute. Then allowable shear stress of the shaft material, tau, is given as 70 megapascal, which is the same as 70 Newton per mm square, and this thing, the maximum torque transmitted in each revolution exceeds the mean by 20%. Now this is something very interesting. It is given as T max, maximum torque exceeds the mean by 20% in each revolution. So it will be something like this: T is equal to, if I take as 1 as the average torque, it exceeds 20% by in each revolution. So it will be 1.2 T mean, or I can say T average. So this T max or maximum torque exceeds the mean by 20% in each revolution. So if I take in each revolution, if I take the average torque as 1, so the max is exceeding the average torque by 20%, so it is 1.2. So suppose in case it is like the maximum torque is exceeding the mean by 30%, so it will be 1.3, 40% 1.4, 5% 1.05. So this statement makes this problem a typical problem. So it is very important, please note this point regarding the concept of maximum torque and mean or average torque. For more clarity on what do you mean by maximum torque and what do you mean by mean or average torque, you can refer my video in the playlist torsion. I have clearly mentioned the difference between the two, T max and T mean or T average. So in this case, the maximum torque exceeds the mean by 20%. That's why it is 1.2 of T mean or T average. So this is the given part. To find, we have to find the suitable diameter of the shaft. So it will be D, since it is a solid shaft. Solution. Now we can use two sets of formulas here. You can see, first we can use torsion equation or torsion formula, which is T by J is equal to C theta by L is equal to tau by R. So this is the standard, we can say, our torsion equation. So I can use this term and this term. So it will be T by J is equal to tau by R. So if I solve this, if I put instead of J which is the polar moment of inertia, pi by 32 d raised to 4, and instead of R I put here as diameter half of diameter, I will get T is equal to pi by 16 d cube of tau. So this is the first relation which we can achieve by torsion equation. T is equal to pi by 16 d cube of tau. Correct? Now this is the T here represents the T max. This is the maximum torque which we get from here. From this T is maximum. The T which is used in the torsion equation is maximum. T max is equal to pi by 16 d cube of tau. And we have another set of formula for power transmission. Power transmission for a shaft is given by P is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Here also we have T and here also we have T. But this T which we use in the torsion equation is maximum torque, and this torque which we use here is the mean or average torque. So again I am repeating, for understanding the difference between the maximum torque and the mean torque, you have to refer my earlier video in the playlist torsion. So T max is equal to pi by 16 d cube of tau, P is equal to 2 pi nt mean by 60. Now we can see here that power is given to us 100 into 10 raised to 3 watt. 100 into 10 raised to 3 watt is equal to 2 pi, speed is given as 160 into T mean upon 60. So from here we will get the value of T mean, or we can say T average. Let me check the value. T mean is coming out to be 5.95 into 10 raised to 3 Newton meter. So from here we will get the T mean in Newton meter. Since our power is in watts and our N is in RPM, so T mean will be in Newton meter. We can convert this into Newton mm. 5.95 into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm. So we got the value of T mean, means mean or average torque. Now we know that T max is equal to 1.2 of T mean, correct? Therefore T max is equal to 1.2 of T mean. So 1.2 into this value 5.95 into 10 raised to 6. So our answer will be T max is coming out to be 7.14 into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm. This is T max. So we got the value of T mean as well as T max, correct? Torque, mean torque or average torque, maximum torque. So now I can put this T max here. So T max 7.14 into 10 raised to 6 is equal to pi by 16 into d cube. The tau value is given to us as 70. So from here we will get the diameter of the shaft, which is coming out to be 80 mm, or we can say 80 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters. So in this way we can calculate the suitable diameter of the shaft. So this problem was typical problem because of this statement, that the maximum torque is exceeding the mean torque by 20%. So this is how it goes, which I have explained. And regarding the difference between the maximum torque and the mean torque, you have to refer to my earlier video in the playlist torsion. So in this way we can find the diameter of the suitable diameter for the shaft. Hope your concept regarding the maximum and the mean torque is clear now, and this is how the typical problem based on torsion can be solved.